Delay does not equal denial. The message to individuals in the United States this evening who are advised not to give up on immigrant visa applications. It's been almost a month since the U.S. suspension of immigrant visa processing. Romarda Lyons has this primetime news follow-up.
Keep attending your interviews. That advice from U.S.-based immigration attorney Xavier Francis. It comes amid the suspension of the processing of U.S. immigrant visas since January 21, 2026. It's indefinite and no timeline for the resumption has been announced.
I think it would be prudent for applicants to attend their interviews, show up on time, have their cases be placed under administrative processing, and whenever the suspension is lifted, the consulate will continue to process those cases.
Mr. Francis adds that there could be another outcome.
Alternatively, one may explore delaying or rescheduling their interviews. But you would have to work with the consulate and complete the necessary steps for delaying your visa interview if you already have one scheduled.
A week before the pause took effect, the U.S. Embassy in Jamaica said immigrant visa interview appointments will continue as scheduled. Some question whether it's a waste of time and money given the indefinite suspension.
The consulate will continue to schedule and conduct immigrant visa interviews, but they will not be issuing a final decision. What will happen instead is they will place these matters under administrative processing. And in immigration law, administrative processing is a post-interview adjudicative hold on a visa application. So essentially, the consulate is saying, hey, we're not saying yes and we're not saying no, we just need more time to make a decision, right? And in this case, they need more time until the suspension is lifted before they can continue processing these immigrant visa applications.
This woman began the process to get her mom to the United States in November 2023. The past month for her has been worrying.
Since the administration has placed a pause on the whole filing process, I would not have heard anything back from them. There has been zero communication as it relates to the process.
Now on February 2, the U.S. State Department said immigrants must be financially self-sufficient and not be a financial burden to Americans. It said it's undergoing a full review of all screening and vetting policies to ensure that immigrants from high-risk countries do not unlawfully utilize welfare in the United States or become a public charge. The suspension applies to 75 countries. Jamaica and 11 other Caribbean countries are on the list. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.